Hi, welcome to Phone Express YouTube channel. My name is Roseanne. With me are my colleagues.
Hi, I'm Martin.
I'm Shiva.
And I am Levina.
Today, we are going to unbox the S24 series. We have the S24 that I'm going to hand over to Levina. We have the S24 Plus that I'm going to hand over to Shiva. And we have the S24 Ultra that I'm going to hand over to Martin so they can take us through the features. So we'll start with the hardware. So Lavina, you can start please.
This is S24. It comes with a display of 6.2 inches. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller. Yeah. And it also comes with aluminum protection to protect it against physical damage. On the sides, as you can see, it's an aluminum protection. And also it comes with a glass 2 Gorilla, both front and back. This is the back and this is the front end.
And here is the S24 Plus. It has the same type of protection front and back as the S24, but it has a different screen size of 6.7 inches.
So with me here, guys, I have the flagship of them all, and that is the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This phone comes with a 6.8-inch Corning Gorilla Armored Glass. It still retains the S Pen, has the S23. It comes in flat shape, so it is 100% flat.
Artificial intelligence. Simply AI features. I'm very sure most viewers are wondering what the features are all about. So I think we should start by mentioning, then later on we should do a demonstration. Living.
The first AI feature that runs across the S24 series is the Circle to Search. Circle to Search enables the user to search the product or an image without leaving the screen. I'm here to demonstrate how it works. I've come across with this bag and I'm looking for a similar product, and I don't want to use the search text, so I'll have to take a picture of the bag as I'm demonstrating here. And then I go to the image. I just need a similar product. Then I long press the home button. Then I circle the image, that is the bag. And the Google search gives us the similar products with the prices and the outlets we can get. Why circle to search and not text to search? Circle to search makes work easier as it enables the user to get similar products of what he or she was looking, unlike text to search, whereby when you search a small black bag, it will give you different varieties and designs which you might not be interested.
The next feature is generative image enhancements, where you use AI to enhance your images. We're going to talk about the generative editing, for instance, reflections. I'm going to take a selfie and I'm going to erase the reflection from the mirror. So I've just taken this picture with reflections on the glass behind. If I want to erase the reflections, I just click on this feature here, click on erase reflections, and it will analyze the image and automatically erase the reflections. If I'm satisfied with the image, I can then click on save. So I was taking a picture of the S24 and S24 Ultra, but I accidentally got the microphone in the picture as well. But I can easily erase it using this feature here, called the object eraser. After this, if you're now satisfied with the picture, you can click on save, and it will save that image. There are so many other creative barriers you can break with generative edit. Get your S24 series to explore more now.
The third feature that I'm going to talk about is the live and instant text and call translation. whereby you can translate your calls and texts in various languages across all the models. Another feature, the last one, that is the note assist feature. So I can write my notes when I'm maybe in a busy place, and later on I can convert my notes into summary and bullet points for easy read. So basically what the AI has done is that it has come to improve the communication. So communication has been made easier, whereby I can understand a different language that I don't speak just by using the AI live translate. So what you do, you must have just activate your Samsung Galaxy account and be able to use that feature. For instance, let's say I'm calling someone who resides in China and I don't relate with Chinese language. So what I do is I go to my call app and download the Chinese language. So when I speak in English while I'm here in Kenya, the receiver in China will receive the information in Chinese, but when they give the response, I'll receive it in English. That way the communication will be made more effective.
Guys, I'm so impressed at the camera capability of the S24 series. I'm at the Oval Westlands on the 7th floor, and I'm going to take a photo of my colleague Martin, who is at Mwanzi Road with the S24 Ultra. As you can see, it's a perfect shot from the 7th floor. Now that we've explored the AI features, I think now we should talk about other specifications for the S24 series. Martin, take it away.
So when you talk about the specs, the S24 Ultra still retains the 6.8 inch. It comes with a battery capacity of 5,000 milliamperes. Also, when we talk about the storage, you can get it in 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage with a variant of 256. Also, you find out that when it comes to cameras, it still retains the 12 megapixels, the selfie camera. There's 200 megapixels on the main camera and the 12 megapixels on the wide angle camera. Now, the improvement comes on the telephoto lens, which has improved from the 10x to 5x. So the telephoto camera comes with 50 megapixels. It runs on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and also the operating system, it has been given up to 7 years of software update. So if you buy this phone, let's say you get it in 2024, you'll be able to get new updates up to 7 years. So by 2031, still this phone will be performing just perfectly for you.
The difference between the S24 Plus and the S23 Plus is that the S24 Plus comes with a 4,900 milliamperes battery, unlike the S23 Plus, which comes with a 4,700 milliamperes battery. The 6.7 inch screen size on the S24 Plus is a slight improvement from the 6.6 inch display on the S23 Plus. I had the opportunity to interact with both the S23 series and the S24 series, and I realized that the S24 series has a much better brightness than the S23 series.
The slight difference that has come up with the S24 base is that the S24 base has a display size of 6.2 as opposed to S23 base that has a 6.1. Also, the other difference is that the battery capacity of S24 base is 4,000 milliamperes as opposed to S23, which has 3,900 milliamperes.
So also to note, Samsung comes with a 24 months warranty, software warranty. In case of any software issues, you can be served or serviced within the 24 months period. Also, don't forget to activate your Samsung Care Plus once you buy your product, because the Samsung Care Plus will cover your screen breakage. That is a one-time replacement, and that will happen in the first year of purchase. Also, make sure that you activate your Samsung account, because that will enable you to track your phone in terms of theft. Also, you'll be updated with new Samsung products that are coming in the market.
Levina, Shibal, Martin, thank you so much for taking us through the S24 series. We've learned so much from you. Kindly support us by purchasing at our online store at phoneexpress.net or our branches at Phone Express, PhoneLink, or Airtel selected branches across the country. Till next time, see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.